Hey guys, it is Sky here from Sweetener. So this is a highly requested tutorial. It is vampire teeth. So you're going to see that it's like the image that I've got in front of you. So because I've already done this already, I'm just going to zoom in and obviously remove that layer. So you want an image that shows teeth basically. There's no point doing one without. So you're going to make a new layer. That's Control Shift and N on your keyboard, or you can go layer, new, and that way. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go 3 teeth in, so the canine, and you're just going to use your picker tool, colour picker tool, and get the colour of the tooth. And then as small as your brush is, with the opacity at 100%, you're then going to just draw a sharp tooth, like so. Same on the other side, it might mismatch, sometimes the shades are the same, sometimes they're not. That's not really pointy, is it? Or as pointy as that one is. There you go. And then just to make it a little bit more realistic, I'm going to get your picker tool, and you're just going to get that outer edge colour, the shading, and then you're going to get your brush, and you're just going to put the thingy down a little bit. Oh word, I can never say. You're just going to go down that edge just to give it some shadowing. You don't really need to do it on the other one because obviously you're not really going to see it. I might actually extend that because that looks a bit short, like that. And then if you really want to go further, you can take a 1 pixel brush in black, and you can literally just line it, but I don't think it's worth it. Look, just keep it as it is like that, and there you go. It's literally as easy as that. So you got 2 options there. That one's a little bit thicker, and that was a bit more pointier. So whatever. And the second one actually looks so much better than the first. And then obviously you can merge visible, use your sharpening tool, and there you go. Vampire teeth. So I hope that makes sense. There is an alternative way of doing it, which is obviously using a PSD template, but I think doing it this way just gives you a bit more knowledge, and you can just delve on, dig in and get used to playing around with Photoshop. So I hope that helps, and thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, please leave them below, but otherwise I will see you guys soon.